Have you ever wondered how to survive a lion attack? It might sound like an unlikely scenario, but understanding a lion's body language is your first line of defense. Now let's delve into the world of these majestic creatures. When a lion is just curious, it moves casually, its ears are up, and its tail swings slowly side to side. The lion may look relaxed, but don't be fooled, it's always observing. On the other hand, a hunting lion is an entirely different beast. Its body is low to the ground, ears flattened back, and its tail is stiff. The intensity in its eyes is unmistakable. This is a lion on a mission, and you definitely don't want to be its target. Remember, the key is to stay calm and composed. A lion can sense fear, so maintaining your cool is critical. Deciphering the lion's body language is a crucial step in surviving a potential lion encounter. It's not just about what the lion does, but what it says. Yes, lions communicate too. Lions have a rich vocabulary of growls, roars, snorts, and purrs, each signifying something different. A low growl might indicate the lion is merely warning you off its territory, while a snort could mean it detects a threat and is ready to attack. Understanding these signals is crucial, but so is sending the right message back. Stand sideways to appear less threatening and avoid direct eye contact, which a lion may interpret as a challenge. Keep an eye on its feet. A lion preparing to pounce will lower its hindquarters and dig in the ground. Remember, confidence is key. Puff yourself up, make some noise, and try to appear larger. This could make the lion rethink its attack. However, if the lion charges, stand your ground. In the event of an encounter, acting confidently and appearing larger can deter an attack. But remember, never try to run. Despite your best efforts, a lion might still attack. What do you do then? Well, first and foremost, resist the urge to run. Lions are swift runners and you won't outrun them. What's more, a lion might mock charge at you, hoping to provoke a flight response. Stand your ground, even if it seems counterintuitive. Now let's talk defense. In the unfortunate event of an attack, protect your neck. A lion's bite could suffocate you. Use whatever you have at hand, a backpack, a jacket, even your arm, to shield your throat. Lastly, time matters. Lions are more likely to attack after a full moon. Avoid roaming around in the moonlight and always be on guard during nighttime encounters. Surviving a lion attack is about understanding the lion and keeping your cool. Remember these tips, they could save your life. Stay safe out there and remember, knowledge is your ultimate weapon.